Jackson, you want to choose your favorite food? Today, Jackson is going to choose his favorite food. Jackson, you want to choose your favorite food? So, are you sure you want to choose? He says yes. And this is soaked seed mix, and these are sweet corn, foxtail seeds, and sunflower seeds. If my guess is right, Jackson will go to sunflower seeds first. He always climbs like a Spider-Man. Wow, Jackson choose corn. Hey, Jackson, wait, where are you going? After one seed, he went to sunflower seed. Jackson, you love sunflower seed more? Because you dropped corn. Now I just removed corn and sunflower seeds. Now let's see what he will choose, soaked seed mix or foxtail seeds. Wow, oh, what a funny guy. He just took a peel of the sunflower seed from soaked seed mix plate. Ah, but he chose soaked seed mix. Jackson, what about foxtail seed? You don't want it? Oh, Jackson ignored the foxtail seed. So now, as Jackson chosen, the first winner is sweet corn. Now I'm presenting sweet corn as a gift to Jackson.
Oh,